and this may shock many of people, is you can make your own mustard at home.
Yeah, this is the secret, though, okay?
Don't tell anybody.
Don't tell anybody.
This is just between us and you.
Yes. Mustard is really easy to make. All you need is mustard seeds and vinegar and water, and that's pretty much it. Now, there's different kinds of mustard.
Right. You don't have to just have the old yellow mustard. You can do pretty much anything.
Yeah. I mean, you can make like honey mustard, you can make beer mustard, cranberry mustard, cherry mustard, any sort of combination of mustard, but it's pretty simple. You just have to cook the mustard seeds down. It doesn't take a lot of time. You add the vinegar, flavoring, etc. I mean, if you look at the bottle of mustard, it's like mustard seed, vinegar, spices or something.
Can you do this and not have to can them? Can you do it like in small batches and put it in your refrigerator? You don't have to process it to a water bath or anything, do you?
Absolutely, you can do small batches.
Next one is homemade mayonnaise.
Yeah, so mayonnaise has had quite a glow up, and it's sometimes called an aioli, and it's the very similar concept where you're taking some sort of egg component, whether it be an egg yolk or the entire egg, and then you take oil and you're whipping this together, pinch of salt, etc., and then it makes mayonnaise. And we've done this. We made an herb mayonnaise once, and that was really good. And it's pretty simple to make your own mayonnaise. I think a lot of people have misconceptions about what goes in mayonnaise, and it's not complicated.
Well, if you let's just go down that road for a short period of time. If you've got a lot of eggs and a little bit of oil, you can make a lot of mayonnaise and give it out as gifts or a thank you or whatever, because you
need a little bit more than a little bit of oil, but you do need oil, yeah.
But if you've got massive amounts of eggs that you need to do something with, making mayonnaise, give it out to friends,